Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete X Twitter account. You can't instantly delete Twitter, now known as X. To delete your Twitter account using your phone, you need to follow the deactivation process via the app settings menu to temporarily disable your account first. Then, if you don't log back into Twitter within 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. To cancel the deletion and reactivation your account, simply sign in within the 30-day period. The process for deleting your Twitter account using the mobile app is the same on Android and iPhone. However, before you begin the process, you should create a backup of your data if you want to access to your tweets and message in the future. Here's how to do it. Tap your profile photo, then select Settings and Support, and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, select your account and tap Deactivate your account. Confirm by tapping Deactivating. Then enter your password. Then tap Deactivate to begin the 30-day deactivation period. That's it. No matter the reason for deleting your X account, whether you're removing an old profile you find embarrassing or are concerned about the risk of phishing and identity theft from oversharing, it's a simple process. And note that the steps for deleting Twitter are similar to those for deleting Instagram, deleting Facebook, and getting off Snapchat. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.